And well, weeks after the massive showdown on campus over the promotion of urban Naxal elements and Break India graffiti Ram Navami celebrations that were held at the Jadavpur University campus. At the same time, while the celebrations were on, there were old graffiti and posters with slogans like Azadi and Free Kashmir seen on the walls. Later, the graffitis and posters were covered with the national flag. Cutting across to Kiya Ghosh from the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Certainly a big snub to separatists in the Jadavpur University, hopefully also marking the future discourse in the education campus.
Absolutely. See, firstly, this is West Bengal, which is a part of India. And where in West Bengal, in Kolkata, you see a university which is flaunting Azad Kashmir, Free Kashmir placards and on graffitis on board. And the sad thing is that the authority, they are allowing it. Not only that, the state of West Bengal, the government of West Bengal, they did not take any chance against this urban Naxals and the left on the whole. Because Mamata Banerjee, she is hand in gloves with these urban Naxals and the left just for the votes. Now in your documentary, the story you showed, you mentioned one word, that's for the vote. Forget the vote here. It is about existence. Because currently the situation in Bengal, right now, I was in a rally, in Ram Navami rally, right here in the heartland of Kolkata, where apparently in one area where the small Ram Mandir is there in Kasba, we were not allowed to enter. Why? Because the people of Gulshan colony, which is suddenly this ghetto came out of nowhere, these people might be offended. So this is the situation, like Shubhendu correctly mentioned, Ek hai to safe hai. In Bengal, it is a matter of existence for the Sanatanis, for the Hindus, for which I really thank and applaud the measure taken by the nationalist students of Jadavpur University to cover these graffitis, anti-India graffitis with national flag. Because our identity, it is Indian first, nation first. So they are talking about Palestine. They are talking about Azad Kashmir. It seems they are oblivious of the fact that India has become free in 1947 out of the British clutches. And not only that, Kashmir has become free when Article 370 was abrogated. They still want Kashmir to be a part of Pakistan. That is the saddest story. And urban Naxals and the left, they have the audacity to go ahead and do such things because Mamata Banerjee's government has a soft spot for them, soft corner, and it is she gives a kind of a subtle green signal. Otherwise, don't you think if the authority wanted, if the government wanted, if the administration wanted, these graffitis would have just been wiped off in a matter of hours. But since the government, they have a feeling for these urban Naxals because in coming 2026, they will need them for this no vote to BJP campaign. They kind of let them be and let them carry on their anti-India agenda.
All right, Kiya Ghosh, many thanks for, of course, sharing your perspective on that.